Invite to the stage two of our most distinguished jury members whose presence adds immense prestige to the IPN Impact Honors. It is our honor to invite to the stage distinguished academician and a prolific author, Colonel Daljit Singh Chima. An IIT Kanpur alumnus, Punjab Ratna awardee, he has authored 21 books and over 630 articles, held key academic leadership roles. Please join me in giving a warm and resounding welcome to Colonel Daljit Singh Chima.
Everyone, and thank you IPN and thank you everybody for recognizing excellence in education through recognizing leadership. Kudos IPN and please continue this good work. One request, and that if you can do that, and that is I work now with the government schools, and Spencer Chima was talking about that the periphery has government schools and there are school leaders over there as well. So can we have the government school teachers also who are not so fortunate, not so exposed to the good work, and they create wonders as well. So Gaurav and IPN team, can you handhold them as well? It will be really rewarding for them. जो वो दूर हिंदी में बात करें ना, मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता है कि एजुकेशन इंडिया में है, आप लोग शायद हिंदी सब समझते हैं, ऐसा कोई है कि नहीं समझता? हो सकता है तमिलनाडु और केरला वाले नहीं समझते होंगे. I just chosen not to understand it as well. Yes, मुझे अच्छा लगता है हिंदी में बात करने के लिए, तो गौरव आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है और डीप से रिक्वेस्ट है कि गवर्नमेंट स्कूल को इंक्लूड कर दो इस journey में. And I think you do good to the larger set of children who are there under their guidance. I hope I was brief. Thank you. अब मैं आड़ी तो सिर्फ यही कहनी थी. Gaurav has instructed me to be brief. So thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. The reason we have gathered here to celebrate and honor the former principal for 17 years in reputed CBSE schools across Chennai and Madhya Pradesh, and former director, education, academics and training at Maharshi Vidya Mandir Group. Distinguished Air Force career, served as instructor in the Indian Air Force at premier technical institutions, awarded Best Instructor 3 times consecutively for excellence in training.
Respected dignitaries, fellow educationists, esteemed principals. Indeed, it's a great pleasure to receive this Lifetime Achievement Award honor. This honor is not actually only for me. There is a hard work behind the teachers who have supported. There is a trust of my students, those who have trusted me well, and the fellow friends, those who have guided me to reach to this stage. So on this very auspicious occasion, I would dedicate this award to all the educationist faculty for their hard work and support. I truly feel acknowledged from the IPN. IPN, since 2018, I am really attached, and whenever I see a face who is truly devoted with dedication, he is Mr. Gaurav Yadav. I can proudly say, to my 42 years experience in the field of education, I found many, but he is much superior in the field where he is totally devoting his time, energy, passion, and everything. So I must congratulate the IPM team also. They are doing a wonderful job by promoting the education, bringing everyone on the platform and sharing along to share their views. Really, I am feeling amazed, and once more, thank you all very much.
This year we'll be presenting another lifetime achievement commitment to inclusive education, mental well-being and holistic student development. Academic and pedagogical expert, gold medalist in economics, MPhil and RCI qualified special educator with deep expertise in curriculum design, technology-driven education, multi-criteria assessment and multidisciplinary learning. Founder Secretary serves as Founder Secretary of the Krishnakulam Group of Schools, playing a strategic role in governance and institutional growth. Of education institutions with 20 plus years of impactful leadership in has been a key force in advancing teaching practices, curriculum design, and integrating developmental psychology into classrooms. TCIS Sarjapur Road. Visionary academic leader and change maker at TCIS who led in the launch of quantum education, the fourth dimension philosophy centered on individuality, inquiry, innovation and well-being. Architects of future-ready learning, integrating curiosity, critical thinking, creativity, emotional well-being, entrepreneurship and innovation into the core school ecosystem. A distinguished educationist with 26 plus years of experience, currently Principal Sri Chaitanya Techno School Noida, known for driving school transformation, teacher empowerment and system-led excellence aligned with CBSE and NEP. Fully online school model in Gautam Buddha Nagar during COVID-19, expert in modern pedagogy, specialist in online and blended learning, counseling, school health programs, child safety and value-based experiential education. Visionary founder leader, founder principal of St. Xavier's High School, Greater Noida, established in 2020, who scaled the school from 2 admissions to 1,600 plus students and secured CBSE affiliation up to grade 12 within 2 years. 25 plus years of educational excellence, a seasoned educationist with deep experience in building high-performing, future-ready schools focused on academics. Mr. Avni Kamal, Principal Mr. Avni Kamal has been serving as the Principal of SDSN Public School Lucknow since 2016 with a distinguished career in education spanning nearly 4 decades. Champion of value-based education, a strong believer in student-friendly, values-driven learning, focused on nurturing curiosity, confidence. Mrs. Gargi Banerjee, Principal, Sri Sri Academy, Kolkata, Administration. Currently Principal, Sri Sri Academy, Kolkata, leading with a vision of academic excellence, holistic development and values-based education. Student-centric and collaborative leadership known for her open-door policy and compassionate leadership style. Dynamic education leader and entrepreneur blending industrial leadership, academic governance and philanthropy to create sustainable impact through education. Heads a CBSE school, nursery till 12th with around 1,700 students driving academic excellence, values-based education and holistic development. With 22 years in the Indian Army and a distinguished transition into civilian education leadership across KG to PG.
एक काम आपको दिया गया वो भी ठीक से नहीं कर रहा।
Thank you so much. I'm not very much into awards. Thank you, Gaurav, for somehow getting me here. And where is that girl? I mean, she has to be around. She made what? A million phone calls to get behind us. 2 points. Somebody talked about memory. Vishwanathan Anand, who could remember millions of moves, forgot his wedding anniversary. And Aruna never let him forget it. So that talks about what we understand about education. Second, I always say, if Goddess Saraswati comes down to Mother Earth, she will refuse to be a principal. She may become a principal if Brahma is her director, not when Vishnu or Shiva is there. God bless all of you.
Foundation holds degrees in science, biochemistry and education, reflecting deep subject expertise and a commitment to lifelong learning. Sharma, a visionary entrepreneur and champion of progressive education. So moving ahead with the awards, we now invite Mr. Gurmeet Singh, Principal, the Millennium School, Batla, District Gurdaspur, Punjab. Currently serving as Principal of the Millennium School, Batla, providing strategic, academic and administrative leadership. Leader, Principal of the Gurukulam School, Physics-Wala School, Gurugram, is in leading and transforming learning environments with innovation, compassion and excellence. Founder Principal and Institution Builder, former Founder Principal of Manaskriti School, where she built a strong academic foundation and fostered a culture of creativity, collaboration, building high-quality, value-driven, student-centered institutions, academic and instruction leader-led CBSE authorization, and school establishment with deep expertise in CBSE curriculum implementation and a clear philosophy of teach the child, not the subject, through experiential and inquiry-based learning. Years in senior leadership, known for building future-ready, inclusive learning ecosystems across the NCR. Strong academic and quality governance credentials, alumna of IIM Ahmedabad, strategic leadership for schools, holder of dual master's degrees in history and human rights, and certified internal auditor for ISO 9001, reflecting a focus on quality governance and continuous improvement. Progressive school leader, Principal of Adarsh Academy, PDB, with a career progression from English teacher to HOD, coordinator and principal. Multi-board expertise, experience across ICSE, CBSE, of diverse academic frameworks and school operations. Governance and culture of excellence for nearly 2 decades. Eminent CBSE resource person and national trainer with significant contributions to teacher training, leadership development, and curriculum initiatives across India, impacting educators and school leaders at scale. Principal K.R. Mangalam Girls School, Bahadurgarh, veteran transformational leader and eminent educationist with 31 plus years in education, including 16 years in school administration. Currently principal of K.R. Mangalam Girls School, Bahadurgarh, known for excellence, empathy, and future-focused leadership. I expect a bit more round of applause. Multi-curriculum leader and accomplished principal with vision and strong institutional governance. Transformational principal, Army Public School, Jammu. Serving since 2015, she has led major academic and administrative reforms. Delhi, veteran school leader and accomplished educator with 25, where she scaled the school into a flourishing CBSE senior secondary institution recognized by DOE, GNCTD. CBSE master trainer and pedagogy innovator, serves as a CBSE master trainer and resource person specializing in content pedagogy, storytelling based value education. Veteran CBSE school leader, a senior educationist with 25 plus years of experience for strong academic governance, people-centered leadership, and values-driven education. Exceptional academic credentials, holds MSc Physics, MPhil Nuclear Physics, MSc Ecology and Environmental Science, B.Ed, and is pursuing PhD in Physics, enabling her to blend scientific rigor with holistic, future-ready learning. From classroom teaching to leading large, complex CBSE institutions with a strong focus on academic excellence, discipline and holistic development. Strong multi-school leadership track record. She has served in reputed schools across Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Potential and lead with confidence and purpose. Strong academic and professional foundation. She holds MA English, MA Education and BA, bringing deep pedagogical insight and academic rigor to school leadership. Currently principal of Prayagraj Public Schools, successfully guiding institutional growth and transformation. Rich experience in teaching, academic leadership, and school administration. An alumna of Welcome Girls School, she began at Mayo College Girls School, Ajmer, taught at Rashtriya Indian Military College. College, spent 20 years at Redmond Girls School and later served as Dean at Unison World School and Principal at DPSG Dehradun. In establishing four schools, showcasing her strength in institution building. Leader in CBSE ecosystem, serves as a CBSE resource person and zonal secretary of CBSE Sahodaya Schools, Lucknow, and has been CBSE city coordinator for evidence of assessments, contributing to quality. With 30 plus years of education and administration in CBSE schools, currently serving as principal, Tiger International School, driving academic excellence, innovation and holistic development. Holds MA in political science and history along with BA, SET and CTED, and is pursuing a PhD in political science, honored as Young Educator of the Year IPN Mind Inspire Award 2023. Public School, Himatnagar, known for values-based and impact-focused leadership, began his career at 19 and progressed through every layer of school leadership, gaining deep practical insight into teaching, operations, and institutional governance. Of rich experience in the field of degrees, alumna of Atomic Energy Central School, Narora, AMU, Aligarh, and Meerut University. She has served in reputed schools including St. John's, Maharashtra International School, Delhi, Scholars International School, GD Goenka Public School, and currently as quality assurance and school growth. She progressed in various roles. She is an award-winning principal and recipient of most culturally progressive school. Hong Kong, driving academic excellence and holistic development. Currently Principal, Swami Vivekananda Arunodaya Vidyalaya, Hapur, leading a mission that provides free quality education, nutrition and life skills to underprivileged children, especially empowering girls and building a model school for social impact. He is an educator with 28 plus years of experience and 8 years as principal, currently leading Atmiya Vidyalaya Vadodara with a strong focus on quality education and institutional growth. Holds a bachelor's in economics and a master's in English, combining solid academic grounding with extensive practical leadership in school education. Fostering a student-centric and growth-oriented culture. On behalf of Dr. Monica Poli, We have Sir who is receiving the award. A visionary education lead, student-centered, future-ready learning environments. A gold medalist in EMIT and scholar of English literature, she blends academic rigor with empathy, creativity, and value-based learning in her leadership philosophy. She is the winner of the Paryavaran Dronacharya Award and has also received the Avantika Rajiv Gandhi Award and the Education Leadership Award for her contributions to education. Under her dynamic leadership, the school won the Brainfield School Excellence Award and was ranked #1 ICSE school in the city by Education Today. Currently founding principal, Delhi Public Systems from inception. Under her leadership, EPS Gurugram has earned #1 rankings in Haryana and Gurugram and top national recognition for STEAM education, happiness and well-being. Truly inspired us all. A special thank you to the family members who have joined us today. Your support plays a vital role in every leader's journey, and it was an absolute pleasure to have you with us this evening. Our sincere thanks to Mr. Gaurav Yadav for his vision and leadership, and to our esteemed speaker from Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham for sharing valuable insights with us. We also thank our esteemed partner, Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham.